What do you think about the fact that Casey Anthony is finally speaking out, but in a documentary that seems to be tilted, toward her version?
I'm not surprised, but that was the same crap that was floated at the trial, that the child somehow or another slipped out of the home, drowned in the pool. Mr. Anthony retrieved the child, brought the child in, and then took the child and dumped it in a swampy area like a piece of trash.
Yet the jury, did they kind of buy that by acquitting her?
I think the only indication we have of what the jury may have thought was one juror said that the state was unable to show how Kelly died. And that, to me, is a very important point. Not that they bought the story that was told by the defense in this case.
It's more that there was a lack of evidence on the side of prosecutors, is what jurors were saying after the trial.
Exactly, and the sad part about it, the state did not have to show how she died. That's not an element to be proven. They only had to show that she had in fact died and that it was a homicide.
Were you surprised by the jury's verdict?
The state of Florida put together a very compelling case. And like everyone else, I thought the state had put enough evidence on that if the jury believed it, it would sustain a verdict of guilty. But the jury did not believe that. So that's the result. One of the things I've learned from being a former prosecutor and a judge is anything can happen in a trial. There's no such thing as a lock case. So was I surprised? Yes and no. I always knew in the back of my mind that was a possibility, and you have to give the defense credit. Mr. Baez and Mr. Mason literally littered that case with as much reasonable doubt as they possibly could. And so when that verdict came out, you could attach a reason. They did a great job, as defense attorneys will sometimes do.
Do you think justice was served in the trial?
Anytime a jury returns a verdict, the answer to your question is yes.